Good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Alla Srivani, working in Vasireddy Venkatadri Institute of Technology, one of the best engineering college in Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my PhD DSc PDF as educational qualification. I completed my graduation from Acharya Nagarjuna University and pre-doctoral from Periyar University and doctorate from Rayalaseema University and postdoctoral degree Doctor of Science from California Public University and postdoctoral fellowship from Eudoxia Research University. And I achieved 27 patents till now regarding perovskite solar cells, supercapacitors, X-ray diffraction technique, transmission electron microscope, and optimization of the nanoparticles for medical applications. Till now, I achieved 40 awards. First, my first award from Andhra Pradesh Science Academy, that is Best Oral Presentation Award in Young Scientist Convention. Later, Best Paper Award from International Organization. And later, Best Researcher Award 4 times. And Adarsh Vidya Saraswati Rashtriya Puraskar Award. And next one, regarding this Eudoxia Research University, I started my journey in the form of IIP. So Eudoxia is one of the best research university in USA. It is one of the best platform for the academicians and also for the researchers. So Eudoxia conducting 6 professional research training programs. One is IIP, International Innovative Program, and IIP PDF, International Innovative Program for Postdoctoral Fellows, and IEEE CLP, that is International Executive Program, Corporate Leadership, and also Golden Fellow Award, and FMIRU and FMRC Fellow Membership for Research Center, and also for Eudoxia Research University, and also spoken English classes. It is not only related to one nation. This Eudoxia Research University is connecting 193 countries regarding various researchers itself. So it is one of the best platform for academicians and also the researchers to get awareness about one of the most important research journals to publish the research papers. And also it is a platform to maintain quality regarding the research publications and how to file a patent. It is also conducting various faculty development programs and also workshops and international conferences. I completed various events in this Eudoxia Research University and also promoted to various researchers also about the importance of this university, which is present in USA and Newcastle. So every researcher can get awareness about the importance of this university, and the president of Eudoxia Research University is giving very excellent presentations in the faculty development programs and also in the workshops. So first I completed my IIP previously in 3 years back, and present I am continuing IIP postdoctoral fellowship in Eudoxia Research University, and also participating in all the events conducted by Eudoxia Research University. So regarding the research, first I started my research in the semiconductor physics, and later I continuing now in multidisciplinary research. So the main mission of this Eudoxia Research University is to build a platform between the academicians and also the researchers to get awareness about the importance of research and also the innovations. So the present research leads to various innovations in our future. So day by day, our technology has been enhancing. So regarding that science, many science inventions, we can improve our academic scientific knowledge in the with the help of various research activities conducting by Eudoxia Research University. So I connected with the registrar and also the programming officer Neha Madam. So with very excellent research activities which is going on. So I promote all the researchers to join in Eudoxia Research University in the regarding IIP or IIP PDF or leadership programs to enhance your research skills. So it also exhibits in industry oriented research skills. So how our research will be useful to the industrial applications. So from the beginning of the phone to the smartphones nowadays, lot of technology has been enhancing. So regarding that, we can implement multidisciplinary research in our research activities, which leads to increase of our academic skills and impart updated knowledge to our students. So I learned in this Eudoxia Research University various research skills that is how to publish the research paper, that is quality research paper, and also how to file a patent, that is national patent and also the international patent, how to do the patent drafting, and a lot of AI tools also for the research. So various research, AI skills are there which we can implement in the research. All scientific innovations also can use AI tools. So there are so many best activities going on in this Edoxia Research University to implement a lot of AI tools in our research, which will enhance the vast and also the growth of our research by joining in this Edoxia Research University. And also we can improve spoken English classes are also there. Several webinars are also conducting, workshops are also there. So there exists a lot of difference in our research skill. So before we join in Edoxia Research University and after we get trained in this IAP program or IAP, that is postdoctoral fellowship program. So in research, till now, I published 45 research publications and achieved 40 awards in my research and achieved 27 patents also. So that is multidisciplinary areas. Recently, I got achievement of nano encrypted quantum computer with the usage of quantum mechanics. After listening various research events conducted by Edoxia Research University, I got multidisciplinary approach in the research, which I can correlate several properties in the science in various sectors and also new modern technology tools. Generally, when in research, when we are getting patenting, we get applied for the patent regarding the products or regarding the technologies. So regarding that, I am also collaborated with IITs and IASC to enhance my research skills. So in this mission and vision of Edoxia Research University, I make awareness of every researcher to make awareness of this university. It is not only related to one country, 193 countries, various researchers have been joined in this Edoxia Research University to enhance their research skills and to increase a lot of products which is useful to the society and also the mankind. So this Edoxia Research University will gain the bridge, will also implement the bridge between the academic researchers and the industries. So regarding the research, so everyone will get lot of job opportunities who get be skilled in all the activities of IAP and also the IAP PDF. IAP PDF is one of the most important professional research activity conducting by Edoxia Research University to give awareness of the post PhD research work. This indicates that there is no ending for the research which we can do in several areas also. So it is one of the main skill which we can achieve if we do the postdoctoral PhD work. After that, in the multidisciplinary mode, which connects lot of industrial products. So the present generation students can gain. So gaining this technology to the academic teachers will gives most importance to the present generation students. So which lead to the lot of job opportunities and also startup orientations. So it gives us entrepreneurship skills also. So regarding that, I already started my startup in TEM imaging of advanced materials. So I got one international patent grant that regarding the transmission electron microscopy and also X-ray diffraction international patent, and later advanced glow box technology. Regarding Indian patent, that is irrigation drainage making machine. So regarding that, 5 patents granted, remaining in the publication stage. So I thank you to the Edoxia Research University for giving excellent opportunity to the research sector with in the form of academicians and also the researchers. And I make you to conduct, and also I request you to conduct lot of research activities in the future. So this is one of the academician and also I am both academician and also the researcher. So regarding the academician, I have 20 years of academic experience and also 15 years of the research experience. So in that, I conducted various research equipment regarding molecular beam epitaxy at IIT Kharagpur and also SEM, scanning electron microscope and also transmission electron microscope. So whenever we are operating any operating technique, we need a skill. So that skill will be gained by this Edoxia Research University. It is one of the best research university throughout the world. So and also I am very happy to be connected with this university So to gain my research skill in this, in my postdoctoral PhD work, and also to guide the new upcoming scholars also in the research and also the innovation sector. Regarding innovation, I got best innovation award from JNTU Kakinada in research expo presentations. So in that, regarding the latest modern generation skills, the main prominence of the science sector is solar cell. So that will be vast to explode in the future. So regarding that, so the one of the most prominent important thing is perovskite solar cells. So regarding the perovskite solar cell, till now I got 7 patents. One is patent, one is international patent grant, and regarding India, 6 patents grant regarding perovskite solar cells. So how to optimize the properties of the perovskite solar cell, and how to deposit various multiple layers regarding these perovskite solar cells. Comparing to the silicon solar cell, perovskite solar cells has a lot of advantages when compared to that of the silicon solar cell. Efficiency is more and the cost is less. So as a cost is less, everyone can afford the solar cell, because in future everyone can make use of the solar cell in their houses also. That is our future advances in the solar cell technology. So regarding that nanomaterials research, so when we get trained in this Edoxia Research University, their scholars and also Edoxia Research University promote all the researchers who got a new proposal or also ideas. If we submit our ideas to the university authorities, they will make us to help how okay, to get a quality publication and also for the patenting process. So this is one of the best research university. So being present in the Andhra Pradesh in one of the famous engineering college, I got connected with this famous research university, Edoxia Research. So with the help of all their achievements which is going on in the market, so I first started the IAP, International Innovative Program. I gained a lot of research skills in that program, which made me to achieve 27 patents in my academic career and also 40 awards in my academic career. So generally when we are going on the research, we will get the difficulties. So we should make all the difficulties which we get in the research work as stepping stones to our future success. Difficulties occurs in every path, so we should make the opportunity of that difficulty and make it as a stepping stone to our future success. So if you continue our research throughout our life, then automatically it will makes us to interest and produce new products to our society. So nowadays, whatever we are using the products in our houses, all these are the science and technology advancements. So education, it is the unending in one of the research opportunity which is most important nowadays. So every family, every parent wants their children to be get educated to make as a best in our society. So, basing upon these research and innovations, which is going on everywhere, we can get new scientific knowledge. Every day, there exist lot of new inventions in the science and technology, which can correlate both engineering and also the medicine, biomedical engineering branch also. So, we can correlate various multidisciplinary properties in our research, which gives us very excellent opportunities. When we continually giving the presentations regarding these research activities, we will be get exposed broader nationally and also the international activities also. So in this inspiration series, I got selected, choose by this Adopsia Research University, basing upon my IAP connection with the university and also IAP PDF, that is postdoctoral fellow in this Adopsia Research University. So I will continue my research continuously with the help of this Edoxia Research University in the future also, and make use of all the opportunities given by the university. It is a very, very good research collaboration and also a good platform which makes all the researchers to get very highest exposure to the research and also new innovation products, which leads to new engineering products and also the most updated scientific technologies, AI tools, and also ChatGPT application. So recently, I got one paper published with the ChatGPT application in the material science, and also this artificial intelligence can be used to develop new machines also in our future. So it actually it is one of the best opportunity that everyone should go aware of. We should never give up. We should never give up our research throughout our life, which gives us very largest research achievements in our future. Thank you to the university for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.